BLUBYEES Electric Wine Bottle Opener. The BLUBYEES Luxury Electric Wine Bottle Opener is an impressive blend of style, convenience, and innovation, designed to make wine opening completely effortless. With its fully automatic operation, this opener removes corks smoothly in just 5 to 7 seconds, no twisting, pulling, or pressing buttons required. It's an ideal solution for anyone who loves wine but dislikes the hassle of traditional corkscrews. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, the opener offers a sleek and luxurious look that complements any modern kitchen or home bar. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort and stability while using, making every wine opening experience both elegant and enjoyable. A built-in foil cutter adds extra convenience, eliminating the need for additional tools. The rechargeable 500 mAh Li-ion battery delivers powerful performance, capable of uncorking up to 60 bottles on a single charge, and even after a quick 90-second recharge, it can open 2 to 3 bottles. The charging base and battery indicator are thoughtful touches that enhance usability. Beautifully packaged in a premium box, this electric wine opener makes a perfect gift for both men and women, whether for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It combines luxury, practicality, and performance, truly a must-have for wine enthusiasts. Ludkim Electric Wine Opener. The Ludkim Electric Wine Opener gift set is an elegant and practical all-in-one solution for wine lovers. Designed for convenience and sophistication, this complete set includes an automatic wine corkscrew, electric wine aerator pourer, wine saver vacuum pump, and foil cutter, everything you need for a flawless wine experience. With its powerful motor, the opener removes corks in just 7 seconds at the press of a button. The rechargeable battery can open up to 80 bottles on a single charge, making it ideal for parties, celebrations, or daily use. The electric aerator instantly enhances your wine's flavor and aroma by infusing air as it pours, giving every glass a smoother, richer taste. The automatic wine stopper intelligently removes excess air and maintains the wine's freshness for up to 7 days, preserving its original bouquet and taste. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and ABS, the Ludkim set combines durability with a modern, sleek black design. Each piece is rechargeable and eco-friendly, making it both stylish and sustainable. Perfectly packaged, it's an exceptional gift for weddings, holidays, or any wine enthusiast. Circle JOY Wine Opener. The Circle JOY Rechargeable Wine Opener 7-in-1 gift set is a complete, luxurious solution for every wine enthusiast. This multifunctional set includes an electric corkscrew, vacuum pump, charging base, foil cutter, wine aerator pourer, and 2 wine stoppers, offering everything you need for a seamless wine experience. With a creative dual-end design, this electric opener not only uncorks bottles effortlessly with a single touch but also removes air to preserve wine freshness and flavor. Powered by a rechargeable system with a USB-C port and charging base, it can open up to 60 bottles on a single charge. The built-in charge indicator ensures you're always ready to enjoy your favorite wine. Crafted with premium ABS materials and a sleek black finish, the Circle JOY set combines modern aesthetics with exceptional functionality. The CD-style button design adds elegance and makes operation smooth and intuitive. Beautifully packaged, this wine opener set is an ideal gift for wine lovers, perfect for weddings, holidays, or special occasions. With reliable performance and thoughtful design, Circle JOY truly elevates your wine tasting experience. BABONIR 6-in-1 Electric Wine Opener. The BABONIR 6-in-1 Electric Wine Opener gift set combines elegance, performance, and convenience, perfect for wine enthusiasts and party hosts alike. Crafted from premium stainless steel with a sleek brushed finish, this automatic corkscrew delivers effortless performance with just one button. In seconds, it removes corks smoothly and cleanly, eliminating twisting, pulling, or breakage. This complete wine accessory set includes an electric opener, foil cutter, aerator pourer, vacuum stopper, USB-C charging cable, and a stylish storage base to keep everything organized. Designed for both practicality and style, it's a true centerpiece for any home bar or gathering. The USB-C rechargeable design makes it eco-friendly and reliable, opening up to 80 bottles on a single charge. No more replacing batteries or running out of power mid-party. The aerator pourer enhances flavor and aroma instantly, while the vacuum stopper preserves unfinished wine, keeping it fresh for days. Packaged in a luxury gift box, the BABONIR 6-in-1 Wine Opener set is the ideal present for Christmas, weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries. Combining sophistication, functionality, and lasting quality, it turns every pour into a moment of effortless enjoyment. Circle JOY 6-in-1 Wine Opener. The Circle JOY 6-in-1 Electric Wine Opener set brings luxury and innovation together in one elegant package. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this complete wine accessory kit includes an electric wine opener, foil cutter, automatic and manual aerator pourers, vacuum stopper, and a sleek storage space, everything you need to uncork, pour, and preserve wine effortlessly. Combining tradition and technology, this set gives you 2 ways to pour. Enjoy the classic ritual with the manual pourer or switch to the automatic stainless steel aerator, which uses vortex aeration technology to enhance aroma and flavor instantly at the touch of a button. Both the opener and the electric pourer feature dual Type-C fast charging, ensuring quick recharging and reliable performance. The opener can handle over 30 bottles per charge, while the pourer delivers smooth, continuous service without interruption. The vacuum stopper seals in freshness for up to 5 days, preventing oxidation and preserving every note of your favorite wine. With its modern design and premium craftsmanship, the Circle JOY 6-in-1 gift set is an ideal gift for weddings, anniversaries, or any wine lover who values elegance, convenience, and quality.